So this is AutoCAD's new push to Autodesk Docs feature. We'll have a look at how you can upload the files from the AutoCAD environment, which will use that new Publish to Docs feature. So go to the Collaborate tab, and there's my Publish to Autodesk Docs. And what it will do is it will automatically assign all of the layouts within the project into the area, and it's going to be able to issue the PDFs, and we can add them to that environment. So in the same way, we go to select folder, and then we can go and find the project. So this is, there it is, ACC first, and then we go and put it in the shared folder, and then it was in our PDFs. So we click on continue, and immediately we're warned that they don't conform. So we say fix name, and we go through that same process. So it all makes sense, and we put in this. So what we can do, we can quickly do all the others. So now we're just on the last one, having just whizzed through them all. And we just fill it in. And that should be all of them. Make sure they all conform. And what we need to have done is to accept them. And then we say upload sheets. They were away. Takes a little bit of time. So files are now successfully uploaded, which is great. So what we can then do is switch back to the BIM 360 environment, and there we are. We can see those files with the correct naming convention all uploaded.